I brought my beautiful catfish buffet. So on my plate today is a gumbo. It is made from shrimp shells that have been simmered for 8 hours. I added vegetables and delicious meats. I put in shrimp and chicken and also andouille. Over here is the dirty rice, and dirty rice has a lot of interesting ingredients. It has chicken livers. Some people don't like chicken liver, but I love chicken liver. It has crawdad tails in it, and it's got lots of herbs and spices. What gives it that little magical flavor is a bit of thyme. And then I have my coleslaw. It's made from red cabbage and regular cabbage, carrot, and it has a delicious dressing. Over here, I have a cornbread muffin, and the cornbread muffin has whole pieces of corn inside. It has jalapeno peppers. Very simple. It's just cornmeal and flour, egg and butter, and a little bit of oil and sugar and salt. And then of course, the main event, which is blackened catfish. Nothing secret about the herbs. Your basic spices and herbs. And of course, you got some lemon so that you can put it on the catfish if you like lemon. And then this little baby carafe has fresh squeezed lemonade. I think the other contestants will love my food because I just go all in. They're gonna love it.
Ooh, there's a lot here. There's so much happening. This is a professional.
The thing I would like to tell the younger generation is it's okay to be a little plump. And you know, if you're spending all your time in front of a mirror and not enough time in the kitchen, you're missing out. So enjoy that catfish, put a lot of butter on it, and squeeze a little lemon.